aren't you in today? Seriously, you've been having some bank account issues? Someone's been spending where they shouldn't be spending. Ugh. Give me 1 second. Let me finish this. Okay. All right. Now, when was the first time that you noticed this? Okay. About 4 days ago. All right. All right. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. So let's just go ahead and figure this out for you, okay? Can I have your first name? Is there an I in that? Okay. And then your last name? Okay. Now, what's your date of birth? Really? I want to guess you for that time. All right. In your hometown? Sorry, I know it's a little random, a little unorthodox. These are all very standard questions. You go to any bank, they're gonna ask you the same stuff. They didn't the last time you went somewhere? Oh, well, they're not us. They're not as, as serious as we are. So maybe that's what the issue is here. Let's go ahead and figure that out, okay? Now, hometown? Okay, thank you. Okay, so I'm looking right here. Let me just go ahead and just take a look. It's looking like you had a purchase at McDonald's for $874.22. You don't eat McDonald's? Oh, okay. So what do you eat? Wendy's? Are you more of like a Chick-fil-A type of person? Five Guys kind of person? Oh, okay. Too good for McDonald's. Sorry, I just have to take notes of everything just to make sure it's all properly documented. And I'm gonna do a little bit off the books really quick. It's just an expression. I'm not actually doing this off the books. This paper gets turned in at the end of the day with everything else, all right? Let me just make sure I write some of this stuff down. Okay. Now tell me, did you go to TJ Maxx and spend approximately, let me see, $1,427? Oh, you did do that. Okay, I was gonna say, maybe we don't need to help you out if you're not shopping at TJ Maxx. There's an issue here, all right? What'd you get? Okay. See, I usually like to shop in like the beauty section. Sometimes I'll go and I'll look at like the house shoes, maybe the socks a little bit, just really whatever I'm feeling in the day. So, okay, so we can mark that one off as accurate. Okay. Now, I have to ask this, trust me. All standard, believe me. How many siblings do you have? Okay. Oldest, youngest, what are you? Okay. I'm the youngest, obviously. Can't you tell? I'm just kidding. I'm an only child. That would be crazy, right? I'm just playing. I have 5 siblings. Oh my gosh. Am I really being honest here? Who knows? Who knows? Because it's not about me, it's about you. So let's finish this. Now, I have to know, When you sleep at night, do you sleep on your side, your back, or your stomach? You know, we're just building a profile of you. We want to make sure that everything is accurate, legit, and that whenever you step into one of our banks, or even if you step in front of one of our ATMs and we check that camera, we know that it is absolutely without a doubt you. So I just have to know. I just have to ask these questions. I promise you, your account is going to be in good standing by the end of this meeting, okay? Because it looks like you have a pretty hefty amount in there. If I was crazy, I'd give me a little pinch of it, but they pay me all right here. No worries. So, now, what was I asking you? Oh, how do you sleep? Okay. Interesting. I'll try that. Now, if you had to lose one toe, which would it be? And you can't say pinky, that is too easy. Okay. Clever. Now, let's check again. Let's look. It says that you spent. Let me see. It says you spent $860 at Cash App. Is that right? You didn't Cash App anyone? You didn't spend any money? Oh, you were just letting them go haywire with your account, huh? Sucks. Okay. Now let's go ahead and look at this Cash App name. It shows it right here. It says GXP2968745RPG. You didn't Cash App them? Okay. So I'm gonna mark that off as a no. They did not Cash App this individual. Please remove this payment immediately. And I put a question mark at the end because, you know, sometimes when you send money, there really isn't anything that we can do about it per se. You know, sometimes things get a little rocky. We can't always verify if you did or didn't. You know, sometimes people get a little drunk when they go out. You don't really drink. Well, sometimes people are under the influence. They might be tired, whatever it might be for you. Sometimes they get a little crazy. They get a little, you know, finger happy, and they just get to sending. And there isn't much that we can do about that because, I mean, even though you weren't in the best state of mind, you still did it, if you know what I mean. So I can go ahead, I can try, and I can see if we can move some things around for you, but there's only so much that I can do. Matter of fact, which reminds me, so we are gonna have to reach out to Cash App. I did go ahead and dispute that other payment for you at McDonald's, but just so that we are fully, completely, absolutely, without a doubt, verifying everything that we do, I just want to go ahead and ask for your full social security number just so that we can verify that it is you here disputing these charges. You know, we don't want to have any reason for someone else in here that looks pretty similar to you, might be your sibling, and they say, hey, I actually didn't dispute anything, these charges are legit, because, you know, it might be your sibling scamming you. You never know. Sometimes siblings don't have the best relationships, and they might do some creepy, crazy stuff when you're not paying attention, okay? So let me go ahead and get that social. All right. 48. Okay. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to say that out loud. All right. And just to verify, the number is correct. All right. Perfect. 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 Okay. So just give me a little second. I'm going and just making sure everything looks right. Crossing T's, dotting I's. Oh, what'd you say? You just got a text message saying that you spent $422 at Walmart? Really? Just now? You didn't lock your account yet? Do you know what they got from Walmart, or you can't see it? Wow, okay, let's check that out really quickly. You got another text message? What does this one say? You spent $2,468 at Best Buy? Not 3,000. Oh no, I'm just asking because I mean, if they're gonna spend at Best Buy, they might as well go to full mile. Is it just spent another $800 at Best Buy? Wow, I wonder what they're buying. Oh my gosh, let's get this situated. This is crazy. By the way, what's your father's middle name? All standard. I'm trying to get this situated. We're trying to make sure that your account doesn't get fully wiped out, okay? So I'm just gonna need you to answer these questions for me. Can you do that? Perfect. Thank you. Okay, and you said his middle name. How do you spell that again for me? How do you spell that for me? Sorry, I'm getting a little tired. Ooh. Okay. You got another? You spent $10 at Starbucks. Oh my gosh. They are just taking all you have, aren't they? Wow. I'm sorry about that. I'm doing my best over here, I really am, but they are really getting you. They're getting you good, aren't they? Okay, let me just take a look. Hello? Oh, you're out of cold foam? What do you have, like, you can just do whipped cream, that's fine. I'll work with that. Can you add a little extra caramel on top? Oh, perfect. Okay, thanks so much. Gotta go. Bye. Sorry about that. Yeah, I had like scheduled a coffee order about an hour ago because I knew I was gonna get tired during the day, and they ran out of cold foam. Can you believe it? Oh no, it wasn't Starbucks. It was Dunkin'. I actually don't even like Starbucks. Like, I know they have like a few new flavors recently. I've seen like a lavender. Oh, kind of like it's really nasty. I tried it once, didn't really like it. I tried to give them a chance. I just went back to Dunkin'. You know, their stuff kind of tastes like ass, but keeps you going, you know what I mean? So Starbucks is not good at all. Not good at all. Seriously, seriously. So let me just go ahead and just see what I can do for you here. Someone booked a Carnival cruise and they spent $5,000. Oh my gosh. Did they get the deluxe package? No, they did. Okay. Nice. Wow. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna lock your card right now. So just go ahead, open up your bank account, open it up on your end, open it up on your end. Because we want to make sure that it looks like you made these. We want to make sure that it doesn't look like you made these purchases. So I want you to just go ahead and log into your account. Okay. And when you log into your account, you're gonna scroll down a little bit. Scroll down, 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 scroll down. And when you go in there, you want to just press lock card. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay? And you're gonna get an email from me soon. Just give me a second while I finish inputting all this information. You're gonna get an email from me soon. And it's just gonna clarify everything that went on today, what we did to help, and what our resolution is gonna be as far as, you know, the dispute that I made earlier. You know, just overall the whole rundown for you, okay? And there we go. Sit. That's the results. Ooh. It says, thank you for stopping in today at Scamley Likely Bank. We regret to inform you that your dispute was denied. It seems that you locked your card, thereby showing that you made the purchases. And there is nothing that we can do about it. Sorry, not sorry. Sad face. Really? Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry that happened. Are you serious? Man, that is intense. Okay, so looks like we're actually gonna have to close your account for fraudulent activity. Yeah, because if that's what they're saying, then we're gonna have to close you out. I'm really sorry. The $80,000 that was in your account, yeah, actually we're gonna have to seize that. It's gonna be placed on hold. You know, you can dispute this by calling this number here. Let me just write it out for you. If you go ahead and call 777-863-4932, then you should be able to get in contact with someone. They should be able to help you out there. I can't guarantee if you'll ever get that money back, but maybe, you know, just maybe it might work. Yeah. Actually, I do have to go now though, because I did put in my 2 weeks and this is the end of my shift. So I have to go and back for my cruise. I'm sorry.